Hey, good afternoon. It's Michael Cuball Salsa with another edition of Let's Get You on Two Wheels here at Team Extreme North. Today we're going to focus on this 2009 Harley Davidson CVO Fat Bob. CVO standing for Custom Vehicle Operations for Harley Davidson. It's their top of the line bike. This one only has 26,000 miles. It has the 110 cubic inch Screaming Eagle motor. Basically, this bike is ready to go. You don't have to do anything. From the tuned exhaust to the chrome front end, custom steel braided cables, all your switch housings in chrome, custom paint set. This model was only built 1 year in this color combination. Come down at Team Extreme. Let you get you on this beautiful Harley Davidson. And if you got more of a, cruising mode, I also have this beautiful 2011 Softail Deluxe, all chilled out, Texas style, fishtail exhaust, 96 cubic inch motor, custom 21 inch front wheel, fat spokes, Stage 1 kit with a power commander, beach bars, steel braided lines. Just beautiful. And then, if you're just starting out and you want a Harley, here I got a beautiful 883 iron. Check this thing out. 178 miles on this 2017 Iron 883. Again, my name is Michael Cuball Salsa here at Team Extreme North. Come on out and see us. We have a great selection of cruisers, sport bikes, and the true and dear to my heart, got some Harleys in here. Nice deluxe, heritage Softail, beautiful, custom vehicle operation, 2009 Fat Bob. Come see me.